Stop spending hours on your medical reports. Catch Notes is the new web app that helps you save valuable time wherever you are. Open the app, create a new note, search for the patient, add a title related to the consultation, and start writing. For example, pain and swelling in the left ankle after a sprain during a hike. Want to go even faster? Use the voice recorder to dictate and save your reports directly by speaking. You can also add a voice note to document important details. It will be automatically saved in the patient's file. Do you have medical documents to add, such as a prescription or a certificate of incapacity to work? Simply attach them to the note. And if you need to document something visual, take a photo directly within the app, for example, of an injury or another important medical detail. You can also add existing documents, such as handwritten notes taken during the consultation, or import as many files as you need. They'll be added in PDF format. As soon as the note is ready, you can save it and link it to the corresponding treatment. Everything you do in the app is synchronized in real time and available across all your devices. The patient's file is always up to date. To install the app, click the link in the description and add it to your home screen. You can rename the app if you wish. Start using Catch Notes today and save valuable time for what truly matters: your patients.